everyone, it's Mr. Jim and Miss Megan and Benjamin here with us again to work on one of my all-time favorite exercises with our infants. This one does take some practice, so watch the video several times until you're comfortable giving it a try. But what we're working on with our baby is core strength and vestibular system stimulation. This exercise is going to demonstrate exactly what's going on inside an infant's head. Right now, your baby is most comfortable looking at the world just like this. Yeah. As we get into different orientations, side to side, perhaps even upside down a little bit, your baby may be a little uncomfortable. And what they're going to do automatically is try to right themselves so they're looking at the world how they are most comfortable. While that's going on inside their brain, we are going to be working their core muscles to work on sitting up, rolling over. That will lead to crawling and ultimately to standing and balancing. It's all about the core. And I'm going to show you how it works. I have with me a green exercise ball, but any ball you have at home that your child can sit on, feel free to give it a try. You want to take your child, sit them right on top. We are then going to use our hands to spot right below the hips. So we're actually below the diaper line, and, whoa, very good, below the diaper line on their legs. And all we need to do is very slowly take them forwards. And backwards. Here we go. Ready? Excellent. And side. Ooh, very good. To side. You don't need to go too far and don't go too fast. But you will see and feel your child constantly adjusting and correcting themselves to stay sitting up straight, engaging all those muscles as we go. Yeah, there it is. When you are performing the exercise, you will actually feel your child tense up when you hit the point where they engage their muscles. Whoa, very good. As they get stronger, you can go a little bit further. There's another exercise we can try. As your child gets stronger doing this exercise sitting on top, you can actually move your hands further from their hips. When you move your hands further from their hips to spot them, it will make the exercise even harder for their stomachs. You're getting a bigger workout right on their belly. You want to be careful, however, to not hold them at their hips and at your hands around their back, because now you're doing the exercise for them. You'll almost immediately feel your child stop engaging their muscles. Yeah, no, you got it, I felt that. Engaging their muscles, and you're doing the work for them, and it kind of defeats the point of the exercise. However, if your child isn't quite strong enough to sit on top of the ball yet, you can modify it by putting them a little bit more on the face of the ball. This will allow the baby to have some support for their back, but still engaging those muscles. Watch as I go forward. Whoa. And Benjamin tries to sit straight up, engaging those muscles. Then we can take him right back up. And he's going to sit up the whole way. I know, it's a workout. A couple of minutes a day is all you're going to need to start seeing some great results. Once they're more confident doing these types of exercises, we can spend more time on the floor working different core muscles. For reference, Benjamin here is about 5.5 months. Your child may be a little younger and may need to start the exercise by learning at the face of the ball. Your child may also be a little bit older, perhaps 8 months, and you can sit on the ball and go back and forth a little bit easier. Are you right, buddy? You like that one? It's a very good exercise. Give it a shot, take your time, and have fun.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Megan from Roly Polies, and I have Ben with me today. We are going to do our 5 Little Ducks song on our exercise ball. When you're doing 5 little ducks, just like in the exercises we talked about before, we're holding on to those babies right at that diaper line. We're going to bounce them up and down, and then they're gonna make a great big circle, engaging those tummy muscles while we're on the ball. Are you ready? Here we go. 5 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. When the mama duck says quack, 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 4 little ducks came running back. Okay, are we ready? 4 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. When the mama duck says quack, 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 3 little ducks came running back. 3 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. When the mama duck says quack, 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 2 little ducks came running back. 2 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. When the mama duck says quack, 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 1 little duck came running back. 1 little duck went out to play over the hills and far away. When the mama duck says quack, 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 all 5 ducks came running back. Yay! Good job!